Hello everyone, this is How Logical, and in this video I will show you guys how to fix Spotify Shuffle not working. And if you are new to this channel, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss our future video. So without saying anything, let's start the video. So the first thing that you guys are gonna check is your Spotify is up to date or not. So to do that, you just have to go on Play Store and then search for Spotify. So once you're on Spotify, there should be an update icon over here. For me it says open, but for you guys it should say update. If there is an update icon, click on it. So the next thing that you guys can do to fix this problem is by going on settings and then scroll down until you see apps. So once you have found apps, click on apps and then select manage apps and then search for Spotify. Once you have found Spotify, select Spotify. So in Spotify, there should be an option for storage. You wanna click on that. So once you are in storage, click on clear data. So what clear data does is it will clear all the data inside your Spotify and it will make your Spotify as new. One more thing that you guys need to check is your app permission. So once you have found app permission, click on it. And inside of app permission, make sure all of these options are turned on or allowed. So for me it's all on, but for you guys it might be off. So make sure to turn on all of the options to fix your problem. Now the next thing that you guys want to do will be on Spotify. So once you are in Spotify, you want to click on the settings icon over here and then scroll down until you see autoplay on this device. So once you have found autoplay on this device, make sure it is turned on. So for me it's on, but for you guys it might be off like this, and make sure to turn on this option. So if you have followed all this step and still there is a problem on your Spotify Shuffle, then this is the last thing that you guys want to do, and that is uninstall your Spotify and then reinstall it again from Play Store. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down in the comment section, and without saying anything else, thanks for watching the video and peace out.